next I have here is AAL, American Airlines. American Airlines sold off on earnings today. Pretty big sell-off actually. Huge amount of volume there, as you can see, and a very interesting candlestick that's set up here. Is not necessarily a hammer or even a dragonfly doji, but it's fairly close. Basically closed almost exactly where it opened up at, but that level is also the 50-day simple moving average, which is 43.92. Tells me that sellers couldn't necessarily hold the price below there, so I'm going to be looking for some momentum to be pushing it up. Another thing is that price didn't actually come all the way back down to this 200-day simple moving average, which could have acted like a magnet, and the fact that it held up above it tells me there's a significant amount of strength within this level here. So I'm going to hopefully try and ride out this momentum, and a couple levels I'll be watching for here. First of all, I'm going to go ahead and draw some trend lines on here. You're looking at something like that, and I like this trend that actually finished out the day. Got a nice little wedge there that formed, and my initial play will be along over 44, call it 44.16, and a stop just outside of this range. It's not too far away. It looks like about 30 cents, so it's not a huge amount of risk. And as with most of my trades, as price goes up, if it does confirm, it will pull up this VWAP and this moving average, and whatever looks like a cleaner area to have my stop loss at, I'll trail it up with that. Now, there was an actual breakout from basically this range down here, so this will be worth noting, as a lot of these triangles, when they do break, whether they break to the upside or the downside, they do like to come back and retest this apex area. So I'm also going to put this line on here, and if it comes back down here, I'll be looking for a support entry down there, which would actually give me an opportunity to have possibly an even larger position versus this low. So we'll see what happens here. If I do get triggered in on either one of these, my initial target is going to be around this 8-period exponential moving average here, which is 45. And I'll mention again, I really do like the volume that came in here. It tells me there was a lot of interest in this stock today, so I look for some momentum to push it up tomorrow.